Look up at the night sky, not for a second, not casually, but really look. Above you are thousands of stars, some already dead, some still being born, their light traveling for millions of years just to reach your eyes. Between those stars is darkness so vast that the human mind struggles to comprehend it. And within that darkness lives one of the most powerful questions: are we alone? This question is not new. It is older than science, older than civilization itself. Long before telescopes and satellites, ancient humans stared into the heavens and felt something watching back. They told stories of beings who came from the sky, teachers, watchers, travelers between worlds. Whether these stories were myths, symbols, or misunderstood encounters, they reveal a deep intuition shared across cultures. That Earth may not be the only cradle of life. Today, science approaches this mystery with equations instead of legends, but the curiosity remains the same. The universe is not small, it is not quiet, it is unimaginably vast. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, contains over 100 billion stars. Many of those stars host planets, and beyond our galaxy lie trillions of others, each filled with countless worlds. When we truly understand these numbers, the idea that life exists only on Earth begins to feel less like certainty and more like coincidence. Extraterrestrial beings are defined simply as life forms that originate beyond Earth, but that simple definition hides an extraordinary range of possibilities. These beings may not walk, speak, or think like humans. They may not even be biological in the way we understand life. Some could be microscopic organisms, thriving beneath alien oceans. Others might be advanced intelligences that evolved millions of years before humanity ever existed. Life, after all, is shaped by its environment. On Earth, life adapted to gravity, atmosphere, and sunlight. But on other worlds, conditions could be radically different. A planet with stronger gravity now produces shorter, denser life forms. A dark world orbiting a dim star might give rise to beings with heightened senses beyond vision. Some extraterrestrial intelligences may not have physical bodies at all, existing instead as artificial or energy-based forms created through technologies far beyond our understanding. Modern science has brought us closer to answering these questions than ever before. Over the past few decades, astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system. Among them are worlds located in what scientists call a habitable zone, where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. Water is not proof of life, but on Earth, every known life form depends on it. Where there is water, chemistry becomes complex, and where chemistry becomes complex, life may follow. Closer to home, our own solar system is filled with intriguing possibilities. Mars, now a cold and dusty world, once had rivers, lakes, and possibly oceans. Beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa lies a vast global ocean, warmed by gravitational forces. Saturn's moon Enceladus ejects plumes of water vapor into space, revealing chemical activity deep below its frozen surface. These are not distant dreams. These are real places, actively studied by spacecraft today. Yet the search for extraterrestrial beings is not limited to biology alone. Scientists also listen. Powerful radio telescopes scan the skies for artificial signals patterns that could not be produced by natural cosmic events. This effort, often associated with the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, is based on a simple assumption that advanced civilizations might attempt to communicate, just as humanity does. At the same time, unexplained sightings in Earth's skies have kept public curiosity alive. Unidentified aerial phenomena previously known as UFOs have been reported by pilots, radar systems, and civilians across the world. Most are eventually explained as aircraft, drones, atmospheric effects, or sensor errors, but a small percentage remain unresolved. While unexplained does not automatically mean extraterrestrial, these encounters remind us that our understanding of the universe and even our own skies is still incomplete. If humanity were to discover extraterrestrial life, the impact would be profound. Even the confirmation of simple microbial organisms would change biology forever. It would prove that life is not unique to Earth, and that the universe has a natural tendency to create living systems. The discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial beings would go even further, forcing humanity to confront questions about identity, purpose, and our place in the cosmic order. Would such beings see us as primitive, as equals, or as something entirely irrelevant? Would they be explorers, observers, or survivors of civilizations long past? These questions have no answers yet, but they shape how we think about ourselves. And still, the universe remains silent. No confirmed messages, no undeniable contact, only vast distances and unanswered questions. But silence does not mean emptiness. It may simply mean that the universe is far larger, older, and more complex than we ever imagined. Every year, new telescopes peer deeper into space. New missions search ancient worlds for traces of life. Humanity continues listening, watching, and learning. Perhaps somewhere, far beyond our understanding, other beings are doing the same, looking into their own night skies, asking the same question, and waiting until that moment of discovery arrives. Humanity remains a young civilization standing on a small planet, beneath an infinite sky driven by curiosity, shaped by wonder, and united by the search for life beyond Earth.